Morning everybody, it's Donna from Enchanted. A very happy new year to all our people watching. What I'd like to do today is to just let you know what's going on. So we've got a frost as the sun's hitting the soil and the lawns. It's obviously melting it nicely. This time of year, it's not that we're gardening at all, it's that we're going over things, double checking things and changing things. And the first thing I'd like to make sure you're all aware of is the RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch. Now this is where they get all their research from, this is where they get all their figures for numbers of birds, migratory birds, birds that are in the UK gardens, so that they can begin to identify where there's been a dip in the populations and where there could be problems. And these people are studying this and they really do need everybody's help. So go online, go onto the RSPB site and download this. It's really easy. What they're actually asking you to do is to just spend an hour looking at your bird feeders with the different foods specifically for different varieties of birds. I've got squirrels, so I've got a squirrel kind of guard on. And what they want you to do is to record the numbers. It only takes an hour, it's no effort for such a lot of help for the RSPB. And we're going to be doing that this weekend. So I've got, I think, 15 or 16 species of garden birds here. You can hear one in the background. I think that is a little... Yes, I can see him. That's going to be one of my robins. So I'm going to be ticking how many I can find in the garden over this weekend. On top of that, we're going to be checking the bird boxes, checking that they're in the correct position. A number of people, they buy bird boxes, they've done all that outlay, they've thought about it, they're trying to help nature. They accidentally put the bird boxes where the sun's liable to cook the chicks. So temperature-wise, please go on the RSPB website and check where you should, what situation and what direction your bird boxes should face. And try not to put them too close to the house if you can, because they do need and always want a little bit of privacy. Obviously then you've got to take into consideration the amount of cats you've got there. We'd all like our birds to be able to nest naturally in hedges and trees, but a lot of residential gardens just don't have that. So buy your bird boxes. This time of year, check that they've been used and they've got to be cleaned out. They've got to be nice and clean, spick and span, with no funguses or bacteria in them. The same goes for your bird feeding equipment. That should all be really clean. The other thing we're going to be doing, as well as relocating and adding to all our bird boxes, is drawing attention to our hedgehog holes. And I bought these so that people notice hedgehog holes, which are on all of the gates here at Sonway. Please bear in mind there is only one company that I can find, because we all have gravel boards now. There's one company in the UK, and that's Jackson's Fencing, that are putting little holes in their gravel boards so that the hedgehog can come in and out of the garden. You've got to bear in mind they need about 3 miles of a circuit. They go from garden to garden to garden. They can't be restricted to a little area. They are a wild animal and they need that rolling space in order to make sure that they get the diversity of food for their diet and keep them healthy. And if obviously they're going to need water as well. This time of year, when we're frosted, we've also got to pay attention to all the bird baths. We've got to make sure they're clean and consistently nice and full with fresh, clean water, because yes, it's very cold, but running water's already freezing, so that needs to be addressed as well. Fitting such a lot in this morning. I do apologise. And I think that's about it. I'm going to leave you with that, and then I'll be back to show you other things as and when we get going with them. Okay.